Good evening, friends. Today date is 27 August 2021. Today's video topic is super and this keyword in Java. Let's talk about firstly what is in super keyword in Java. Super keyword in Java is a reference variable that refers the which is used to refer the immediate parent class object. Whenever you create the instance of the subclass and instance of the parent class created implicitly which is referred by the super reference variable. Let's take uses of the super keyword in Java. Super keyword be used to refer immediate parent class instance variable, or super can be used to invoke immediate parent class method. And third use of the super keyword is the super can be used to invoke the immediate parent class constructor. Then the super is the used to refer immediate parent class instance variable. We can use super keyword to access the data members or field of parent class. It is used to if parent class and child class have same fields. Let's take an example. Class animal string color is equal to white. Class dog extends animal class. String color is equal to black. White print color method. Sysout print color. Sysout super color. Then create a class test super. Publish static and in which create a main method, that is publish static void main string argument. That is when we create an object dog d is equal to new dog, then we can call the method d dot print color, that is output is the C++ versus Java. Let's talk about super can be used to invoke parent class method. The super keyword can also be used to invoke parent class method. It should be used if subclass contains the same method as parent class. In other words, it is used if method is overridden. Let's take an example. Create a class animal in which find eat method and sysout eating. Then create another class dog extends which extends the animal class. In create a method void eat and sysout eating bread, and create another method void bark, that is sysout barking, and another method is void work and super eat and bark, and create a class test super public in which main method publish static main void main string argument dog d is equal to new dog, that is d dot work, that output is eating and barking. Let's talk about what is the this keyword in Java. This keyword in Java, there can be a lot of uses of Java. This keyword in Java, this is a reference variable that refers to the current object. That this keyword refers to the state and behavior of the object. Uses of this keyword. Here is a given following are the 6 uses of the Java this keyword. First is this can be used for refer current class instance variable. Second use of the this keyword is the this can be used to invoke current class method implicitly. This can be used to invoke current class constructor, and this can be used to pass an argument in the method call. And for fifth use of this keyword is the this can be used to pass argument in the constructor call, and this can be used to return the current class instance from the method. Suggestion: here is one suggestion. If you are beginner in Java, looking only 3 uses of this keyword, then there are this refer to current class instance variable. This is keyword can be used to refer current class instance variable. If there is a ambiguity between instance variable and parameters, this keyword resolves the problem of ambiguity. Then let's understanding the problem without this keyword. Let's understand the problem if you don't use this keyword in example. Take an example. Class student int roll number string name, then float fee, and then create a student constructor, that is int roll number string name float fee, that is roll number is equal to roll number, name is equal to name, fee is equal to fee. And then create a display method sysout roll number, name and fee. Create a class test, this one in which main method publish static void main create an object student s1 is equal to new student, that is and give a roll number 111 Ankit Rajkumar, and 5,000. Create another object, that is the student S2 is equal to new student 112 Sumit and 6,000, and call the method S1 dot display and S2 dot display. Output is a 0, null and 0. In above example, the parameters and instance variable are same, so we are using this keyword to distinguish the local variable and the instance variable. Thank you. This is all about the today's video topic, that is this super and this keyword.